Alrighty, let's today understand what GitHub Desktop is all about. Imagine you are working on a school project, and instead of using complex commands, you have a simple application that helps you manage your files. That's what GitHub Desktop does. It lets you clone repositories, make changes, and commit updates with just few clicks. You can switch branches, push your work to GitHub, and pull updates from teammates through a clean visual interface. It's like having a smart assistant that handles Git commands behind the scenes, making collaboration smooth and beginner friendly. Let's meet in our next lecture.